Teaching instead of transforming. This is a huge one. Tutorials create educated non-buyers who take the information and try it themselves. This is the big issue with content and anything you do in life as a business owner, is that you've been told to lead with value, give it all away. I don't agree with that. I think that only works when you're coming from a position of a lot of leverage. If you have client results, if you're building your business from organic content, if you had a business before, right, and you have a ton of social proof, you have millions of dollars, you've done everything, you can get away with giving it all away for free because there's such a gap to what you've accomplished. People look at you as the hero already. But if you're just building your name up already, if you're starting from the ground and you're doing your thing, but you want to grow, you transform. I would say you do a bit of teaching, but you do more transforming. Transformation content creates demand. Educational content destroys it. CTA designed for subscribers, not clients. Like and subscribe is an engagement CTA, not a conversion CTA. Most channels have zero pathway from video to DM to call. No comment word, right? No link with intent, no next step for the buyer. So on YouTube specifically, there's no mini chat involved. So you can't tell people to comment a specific word, but every video should drive them to another video, should drive them to a book a call funnel, right? Webinar funnel, workshop funnel, whatever it is that you're trying to push people to. There's no proof architecture in the channel. Buyers need social proof before they trust you. Most coaching channels have no case study videos, no results section. That should be pinned. No pinned client wins. The channel looks like an educational resource, not a results-driven business. So we teach short form content, and essentially what I tell people is this. People who optimize for views will get views. And now you're depending on the algorithm pushing your content for you to make money, right? Because you're relying on whatever pennies the algorithm is giving you. That's the difference between a content creator and a business that uses content. If you are a business that uses content, why are you optimizing for views? You should be optimizing for the right views. You should be trying to go viral in your industry. You should be trying to get known to your people who are going to buy from you. If you make videos that just get a whole bunch of reach and you're not getting DMs from people who will pay you, you're doing wrong. So you have to use the algorithm to your advantage. Do not become an educational channel that is just, I'm just going to come here for free information. People who consume a bunch of free information don't buy. They are not buyers, like unless you're selling a low ticket product. I'm telling you guys this, man. This is a high ticket service channel. I'm teaching you how to use organic short form content to grow your high ticket business. And even on the YouTube side, if you become an educational only channel, you're going to get a bunch of people who consume free stuff and don't take any action.